Hi guys, it's Sarah here, an exercise physiologist at BJC Health. Happy New Year. So the team thought this year we're going to try and share a workout with you once a month. For those of you that might not be able to get into the clinic as often as you'd like, it's also a chance for us to share with you some of our new ideas that we might be testing out in the gym. So the first workout for January, some of you might be feeling a bit stiff after the holiday break, maybe a few weeks without too much training. So the first workout is a very simple circuit. You don't need any equipment, but the focus is to get that heart rate up a little bit and also to incorporate some twisting movements after potentially stiffening up over the break, and also some strength exercise to target your main muscle groups. So hope you enjoy, have fun, be safe.